India's consumer landscape has evolved. Homes have evolved. Expectations from home appliances have evolved. But the question remains, can a refrigerator be engineered with the precision of Germany, built for the realities of India and designed for the homes of tomorrow? In the heart of Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar stands a world-class manufacturing ecosystem by Liebherr, where German precision meets Indian passion, and where every refrigerator is not just made but engineered to perfection.
If we talk about Indian refrigerator market, there are more than 50,000 stores. They are selling about 15 million refrigerators in a year. So it was, very difficult choice how to start. We have taken non-traditional approach wherein we started with certain geographies where the share of premium and luxury appliances was high. So we started with the southern part of India and western part of India in first. And in the second phase, we expanded in northern part. And in the third phase, we started, with the eastern part. Now today, as we are standing, we are almost available on more than 7,000 stores across India, and we are covering almost all the geographies.
Spread across 50 acres, the facility is the first of its kind in India and is built not to assemble parts but to create refrigerators end to end with absolute ownership of every detail from metal to intelligence.
Liebherr as an organization identified India as their major market. Outside Europe, for Liebherr, India is the only country where they have full manufacturing unit of appliances. At Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, we have our refrigerator manufacturing plant where we are making single door, double door, and recently this year we started manufacturing fully integrated refrigerator also. We have vision to use this Made in India policy, and we are going to improve further our lineups within India. And we are seriously looking India as a significantly big market to expand further our portfolio in India.
Every stage of production is mapped, engineered and monitored, and the entire facility is segmented into 8 specialized manufacturing cells, each responsible for a critical transformation in the journey of a refrigerator.
We start with the consumer experience and not necessarily directly jump into the technology, but it is at the core of our development. Indian consumers are looking at simplicity and not the complexity which are disguised as a feature. Indian households have a different food habits and everybody has a unique demand. We do a deep qualitative and quantitative study. We try to develop the specific Indian consumer persona, which are based on how the Indian family is shopping, cooking and storing in the refrigerator at their homes. We take all these insights, we combine the market data to create the right product which is delivering the robust performance at the right price point.
Together, these 8 cells form a manufacturing ecosystem where accuracy is engineered, innovation is integrated and quality is reinforced at every step.
We are working together in a production Liebherr networking for technologies, and out of this we follow the future technologies and for improved day by day and rising up efficiency in our production. Out of this we also decide higher automation needed, makes sense, all with the aim to produce highest quality in the best price for our customers.
The journey begins in the thermoforming cell. Here, precision takes its very first form. Virgin raw material is heated and shaped using advanced thermoforming machines to create flawless liners with perfect thickness and finish. These liners are used in both freestanding and fully integrated refrigerators. This stage lays the foundation for long-term durability and insulation performance. The inside of the refrigerator built with absolute consistency.
When we are looking for the fully integrated refrigerators, this industry is evolving. This particular product has been introduced recently to the Indian consumers. This is more or less, today is bought by the consumers who are looking these products in the western part of the world, and then they are coming back to India and then they are trying to get those kind of appliances in India. Their requirements are significantly different. They are going for sustainability. They are going for seamless designs wherein they can integrate appliances within whatever design pattern or whatever design scheme they are looking for their kitchen and their living rooms.
In the CRF and pre-assembly cell, robotic precision takes over. Plain CRCA steel sheets are bent, merged and sealed into a tough U-shell through fully automated movements, ensuring accuracy, repeatability and zero manual variation. This solid external cabinet is engineered to withstand real Indian conditions, heat, humidity, frequent door openings and daily usage over decades. This is also the stage where core Liebherr cooling technologies come together. Duo-cool dual cooling circuits and vacuum insulated panels or VIP are integrated with exact placement, ensuring faster cooling, no odor mixing and higher energy efficiency.
Managing productivity and takt time efficiency starts with a strong foundation like work instructions, clear process discipline. We train our employees through these work instructions. We provide them on-job trainings. So disciplined manner, every process is followed in our production line.
The refrigerator is ready for the next transformation. In the cabinet forming cell, the cooling ecosystem is sealed for life. Advanced bottom pore forming fills every cavity with uniform density, leaving no weak spots and maintaining stable temperatures even during extreme heat.
Our brand is built on the reliability, durability, precision, German engineering. And as we are the specialists in the cooling and freezing, offer the highest quality everything we do. And through our quality 360 approach, we are organization leadership, proactive and reactive quality approach. So we monitoring the WR, the warranty call rate. So that includes the full customer satisfactions. And for our fully integrated, we ensure that every installation at the customer end meets our standards and customer satisfaction is there.
Next comes the loading and gas charging cell, where eco-friendly R600A gas, food-grade materials and a variable speed AI-enabled compressor come together to form the cooling engine of the appliance. This system intelligently adapts to usage and climate, delivering quiet, efficient and powerful cooling across seasons.
At the Chandra plant, so we ensure that every unit meets the global quality standard, following our standard work instruction, assembly processes, training, qualifying all the operators and the performance defined in process checkpoints.
This is where everything built so far is put to the test.
Quality is not just an action, it's a habit. So every employee is penetrated with these quality parameters. Whenever there is any concern, we raise the action on any deviation, and safety standard work instructions were given to the line so that every stage will be powered through these work instructions and they have to follow very systematic manner.
In the gas and run test cell, every refrigerator is pushed through a sequence of pressure checks, leak tests and temperature drop monitoring, including an overnight performance run to ensure consistent cooling and zero defect reliability. Every unit, whether freestanding or fully integrated, undergoes the same rigorous quality checks.
The Liebherr reputation for the durability and safety comes from the combination of the engineering, design philosophy, rigorous production stage control. So we focus on the mainly the strong component qualification before production and the rigorous testing during the production. Before anything enters on the production line, key parts like the compressor, fans, hinges, PCB undergoes the life cycle testing. We have the corrosion testing and strict supplier audit ensure we only the build with the high quality components. And for the durability, we run the mechanical life cycle test, the functional performance check with the verification of the coating through the salt spray, scratch as testing, cuppet testing. These are the qualifications criteria for the reliability perspective. And for the safety perspective, every unit goes through the electrical safety test, refrigerant leak test, detection and the structure of the door stability check along with the thermostat control validation for at the various temperature, that from the warm temperature, that the high temperature we perform. And together this measure ensure that each product in the long testing and the reliable and the safe in the real world use.
From performance, the journey shifts to personality in the DML and door forming cell, where patterns, textures and finishes inspired by Indian kitchens are added.
So we take consumer insights, we create mood boards inspired by nature, we study the different colors, material, finishes. We also study the ergonomics to create the intuitive products. That's how the product takes the form and it becomes really beautiful. So that is what the consumer gets.
Behind the style, VIP insulation inside doors ensures cooling retention even during long power cuts. Aesthetics and performance working hand in hand.
India is a unique market where you'll find a consumer who is buying a 10,000 rupees refrigerator, a consumer who is buying more than 2 lakh rupees refrigerator. Even now, consumers are buying 7 lakh, 10 lakh rupees worth refrigerators. So it's a highly diversified market where the preferences of consumers are different at different levels. So when you talk about a single door or a freestanding consumer, they are obviously buying for value for money. Apart from that, they are also seeking durability in the appliances. So they are looking for new features, and they are also looking for different patterns on the doors. So we have seen consumers buying the steel door plain patterns. We have seen consumers buying flower patterns. We have seen consumer buying vibrant colors, glass doors. So consumers are highly evolved even in the freestanding segment.
With the body and identity complete, the next leap happens in the sub-assembly cell, where the refrigerator receives its mind. PCBs, sensors and compressor controls are assembled and calibrated to enable predictive adaptive cooling, the moment when the refrigerator becomes smart. And then finally, after strength, protection, cooling, reliability, design and intelligence come together, the journey reaches its final checkpoint, the final inspection and packaging cell. Under high-lux lighting, every detail, cooling precision, alignment, electronics, finish and structural quality is scrutinized.
Each unit undergoes the mandatory electrical safety test, continuity test, insulation resistant, high voltage and leakage current. We comply our Indian standards. And we also conduct the cooling performance test, running product for the minimum 12 hours, validated to the all functions in the appliance. And finally, a detailed visual inspection under the 2000 lux level is done, checking over the 120 parameter to ensure the product is defect-free before the dispatch.
Only when every box is ticked does the refrigerator get packed to withstand more than 2000 kilometers of transport. So it arrives in every home exactly the way it left this factory. Perfect.
At Shendra, we design the refrigerators which make in India and make for India. It means we make a refrigerator which suits to Indian conditions like high temperature, high humidity, heavy stuffings in the festival seasons, power fluctuations, etc. We have a climate chamber where temperature ranges from 10 degree to 50 degree. The humidity also ranges from 10 degree to 95% with air velocity of 0.25 meter per second. We use high quality PT100 and MCPS for software testing and monitoring, which ensures best performance at test lab as well as at your home and in the field. We are equipped with modern electrical and electronics test facility. This ensures reliable and flawless working of the appliances. Our refrigerator undergoes rigorous reliability and transport conditions to ensure they withstand logistic as well as in-home movements. We continue to collect feedback from the customers, domestic customer, to solve their real-life issues and make their life easier by creating smart solution, flexible shelves, convertible compartment and customer-centric innovations.
Beyond the production line, this factory is powered by innovation. In the R&D and design rooms, ideas move from concept to prototype to product, shaped by real insights from Indian households.
So the idea moves from concept to prototype with the steps. Like for example, a deep understanding of customer. So we go into the field, we collect data from the customer. So what is their main problems, what issues they are having with handling of the refrigerator, either it may be related to performance, it may be cooling or something. So then we have got a good and deep understanding about the customer, what problems they have. Then on the basis of this problem, we create a concept. It's called as creative concept development. So with this creative concept development, our engineers who are working on 3D, so they make the concept, they make the design, and we simulate it inside the 3D software. With the help of this 3D software, when we recognize that, okay, these conditions are satisfied, then we go for the physical prototypes with which we can interact. So this is the interaction with the customer also happens. We refine it, and then we test about the performance, ergonomics and reliability. If all these criteria will get satisfied, then only we go for a pilot production. In pilot production, we go for rigorous testing with the extreme conditions, and process optimization also we do. And with this process optimization, we reach to the prototype, final prototype.
Features like fresh breeze, hot to cool, hands-free operation, biofresh, modular interiors and India-specific storage technologies originate here, designed not for trends, but for everyday lifestyle needs.
We talk about love innovation, love Liebherr, and hot to cool is what comes to my mind the moment I think about the innovation. The way we have taken the feedback through 200 plus customers, and the various consumer insights ki her family, every city, every mother has the same problem कि दूध ठंडा नहीं होता है और स्कूल जाने के लिए देरी हो जाती है. So there is that problem. We have understood that problem, and this is not solved by anyone. With the German engineering, we have solved this problem, we have nailed this problem. We have ensured that we deliver the cool milk in the rapid time, almost 3 times faster than the usual ones, and we also maintain the quality of the milk. So we are ensuring that the performance from the product is delivered with the innovations. Apart from this, we have launched various innovations. If I talk about the spices or the masalas, it's not just an ingredient. It's an emotional part of our daily habits, the way we look at it. So we have created special boxes, we call it as spice boxes, which keep the aromas intact and the freshness intact. So that is what the spice box delivers. If we look at the single door refrigerators, that customer looks at the multitasking, right? For them, we have provided the utmost level of convenience with the hands-free opening. They can actually open the refrigerator door without using their hands, just by the press of the fit. So that's what we have done with the hands-free opening. And recently we have launched Fresh Breeze, which is giving the visually appetizing appearance for the vegetables and the fruits. So that is what is getting delivered through the Fresh Breeze. These are the things that we are doing in the innovation field, and we are combining our German engineering expertise to ensure that the quality of the product remains unmatchable. We have started manufacturing the premium range of fully integrated refrigerators in India, and this is a premium cooling solution that we are offering for the Indian consumers. This comes with the innovative freshness like the BioFresh, which is matching the global standards of the freshness. It also comes with the adaptable storage. It also comes with the unique offering of auto closing, which is adding a lot of convenience for the consumers.
Every Liebherr refrigerator that leaves Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar carries more than just technology. It carries the belief that quality is built, not checked. And yet, this is only the beginning.
In respect of our future layout planning, we are looking every time 5 years in the future and revise regular this planning to avoid surprises out of any modification or any change in market needs. Also, new technologies, we are looking there and look for implementation in our planning. So we prepared for a big success story in fully integrated.
With just 1/3 of the plant's capacity currently utilized, Liebherr is ready to scale, ready to innovate further, expand product lines, and become a global hub for manufacturing and exports. From precision to performance to passion, this is where the future of refrigeration is being built. Liebherr, the heartbeat of innovation with perfection.